What's up, guys? Welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own community in Roblox. So it's really simple, but it will cost 100 Robux to make a community. So you're going to click the three dots over here with more, and then you're going to go, you see profile, connections, communities. So you're going to go communities, and then on the left side it'll show all of your communities, and search my communities, and you're going to go to the bottom and click create community. Now you're going to have all these options. You got name, description, some like different pictures, and then once you do all this, you'll see there's a button. So let's just pretend I'm making a community. I don't actually have the Robux right now to do that, but I'm just going to name it Pig Night Tutorials, for example, just because that, and be like cool description, cool group that plays Roblox. Pretty easy. And then you get this. You can select an image and more. It's just cover photo, and then you can choose anyone who can join or manual approval, and then 100 Robux. But yeah, that's how you make your own community in Roblox. Subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye.